everyone, this week we are back with another video. Today I'm going to be forging a chisel and 2 punches for my blacksmithing tool set. So this is how we're going to do this today. I want to make 3 tools in total, 2 punches and 1 chisel. One of the punches is going to be rounded, one of them is going to be square, and then the chisel is just going to be a simple tapered down edge with flared out edges. Basically, the round punch is for punching out round holes, the square one's for punching out square holes, and the chisel's obviously for cutting stuff. And it's all going to be cut out of a nice coil spring. So everything will be made from tough spring steel. Okay, so now that I've got all the pieces straightened out, it's time to start forging the ends of each respective tool. I have to say, this spring steel turned out to be really tough to forge, even at high temperatures. I found myself putting the stock back in the fire really quickly because these pieces started bouncing off my anvil really early on in every single heat. Okay, so I originally had a clip of me grinding these down to their final forms recorded for you. However, I apparently accidentally recorded it as a slow-mo instead of a time-lapse. What resulted was a very large file that was a very long clip and also very impractical to upload onto my computer. So I unfortunately don't have that to show today. However, I can obviously show off the finished product. Alright, let's see here. So we got this one. I just made sure it made a little more to make sure it was round enough. I did cut it a little short by accident. We've got our nice square punch here. I think the tip of it came out nicely. Good square punch. And our chisel, I decided to add like a little side whatever pattern onto it. It's got a nice Good sharp point. I am going to need to cut this down eventually, but it's fine for now. My mom's got birds in the garage here, and so I just wanted to get these cleaned up roughly. I don't want to do any more power tool work in here on them. I don't want to be hard on their ears. It's tough enough for them to hear the machine go for 5 minutes. I don't want to go any longer than I have to. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how those came out. The actual business ends came out really, really nice, especially with that touch-up. I do have to clean up the back ends of them to actually be flat so it's a nice even surface to hit down on, but my mom currently has some baby chickens in the garage and I didn't want to run the power tools for too long. I don't want to hurt their ears or anything. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how they came out. It is worth noting that those still need to be heat treated, and I will do that at the beginning of another video, maybe the first time that I use them. But for right now, that's all I have for you. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did, and I will see you next week. Bye!